Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be doing my nails. I got a new box of gel nail colors in from the NailAddict. I have been rocking with this brand for over a year now and I absolutely love the quality of their gel nail polishes, and the color range is just bomb.com. So many different colors to choose from. I almost have them all now. I have an extensive collection, but this is the color that we're going with today. It's called Text Me Later. It is a beautiful corally color. I thought it would be perfect for summer, so that's what we're going with. I have been lately rocking with my natural nails. I don't want to do that right now. I'm going to put me on some press-ons. We're going to do a cute press-on set, probably with some bling. I laid out some bling here, and I do use their base and no wipe top coat because it is bomb.com, and sometimes I even adhere my falsies to my nails with their base coat, and it is bomb. So if you want to see, I do have the OVLux beautiful gel nail lamp that we're going to be using today. This is from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below, and this is a 128 watt lamp. Okay, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? She is so cute. Love it, love it, love it. And then you have the different settings here at the top with the digital display. Girl, so nice, so bomb, so professional. Well, let's go ahead and get into the nails. Well, like I said, this is the color that we're going with. It's called Text Me Later, and it is a beautiful corally color. Really pretty. So you'll get to see this on my nails. So pretty. And they did send me one of their glittery polishes this time as well. OMGG. I may have to go in with that too. So gorgeous. Oh, we'll probably do an accent nail with that. So pretty. Quartz rose is very pretty too. So I know we're going to be doing a set soon with that. But nonetheless, I'm going to start with buffing and filing my little nails. Girl, they look a fool. Then prepare the falsies to go on my nails. Okay? And to make sure I get a good fit, I go into the nails sometimes and just shape them to fit my nail beds. And I'm just using the base gel polish to adhere my falsies to my natural nails. I'm just letting these stay in here for about 6 or 7 seconds just to get them stuck on good enough to do the rest. And then once I have them on, we'll go back under and finish the curing once I have all the nails on, okay? And I really love this method. I feel like it's sometimes easier than using nail glue. Definitely less messy. Trick that I use to do my gel press-ons this way, I just turn over the lid and keep them pressed down like this until they're stuck when I'm doing my left hand. This method is so much easier. Alright, I got my nails on. Now it's time to, well, we have to buff the tops of the fake nails, and then we're gonna add our nail color. When I'm not in a hurry, I would normally pre-paint my nails before I put them on. I've really been enjoying that method as well. Alright guys, here's the final result. They're so cute. I love this color. And again, this is Text Me Later by the Nail Addict. I love, love, love my nails. I thought I was going to do rhinestones, but I like them plain. So nice. But yeah, be sure to check out the website and look at all the different colors that they have. So many to choose from, but right now this one is what I'm loving. Text Me Later. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. So make sure you're subscribed, okay? Bye.